So if you have 2013 through 16 Nissan Altima, Maxima, Pathfinder, Rogue, anything with this type of coil, and you have a Misfire, the coil goes for $65 to $87. If you don't want to buy this coil, here's a way to fix it. Open it up. Let's see if I can open it up one hand. Open it up like that. Okay. Set this one. Look what's inside here. There's a small fuse. There's inside there. There's a small fuse. I cannot tell you what the rating of the fuse is. I'm not sure. There's no writing on it. But you can replace the fuse and reuse a coil. I've seen. I put 5 amps in it and it worked for me. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but if 5 amps doesn't last long, I'll go to 7.5 amps and I'll continue increasing it and see if I could find the right amperage. But yeah, instead of spending $60, $70, $80, you could buy a pack of fuses for $5, $6 and replace the fuse. And check if you check this fuse, this is a bad fuse. I used my fluke to check the fuse, and it's a bad fuse. Now the Altima is no longer misfiring, so I haven't seen any videos on this, but yeah, you can replace the fuses on these Nissans, on the coils. All right, hope this helps.